Contrary to popular belief, regional fat burning is unfortunately not possible. Namely, such thoughts such as if I do abdominal exercises, my stomach will flatten, my waist will become thinner are completely wrong. When you do these exercises, the fat in your abdomen will unfortunately not melt. Losing belly fat involves a combination of dietary changes, regular exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. Here's a science-based approach to help you effectively lose belly fat. Reduce caloric intake. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. Focus on creating a calorie deficit through portion control, choosing nutrient-dense foods, and limiting high-calorie, low-nutrient foods. Eat a balanced diet. Fill your plate with whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients, fiber, and protein, which help keep you full and satisfied while supporting weight loss. Limit added sugars and refined carbohydrates. Sugary drinks, sweets, and refined carbohydrates, like white bread and pastries, can contribute to belly fat accumulation. Reduce your intake of these foods and opt for healthier alternatives like whole grains and naturally sweet fruits. Increase protein intake. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and promoting satiety. Include lean sources of protein such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes in your meals to support weight loss and muscle preservation. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overeating. Use smaller plates, measure serving sizes, and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues to avoid consuming excess calories. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and promote feelings of fullness. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise. Engage in regular aerobic exercises such as walking, running, cycling, or swimming to burn calories and promote overall fat loss, including belly fat. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. Include strength training. Incorporate resistance training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises to build muscle mass and boost metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Get sufficient sleep. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can disrupt hunger hormones and increase cravings for unhealthy foods, which may contribute to weight gain and belly fat accumulation. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdominal area. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time outdoors to help manage stress levels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and stay informed.